Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that eCash token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, eCash XEC is a proof of work blockchain designed to function as fast, scalable digital cash for everyday payments, distinguished by its hybrid consensus that layers avalanche for instant finality. Purpose built for payments, it aims to be a peer-to-peer electronic cash system with near zero fees and rapid transaction settlement. Hybrid consensus technology, it combines Bitcoin's proof of work security with Avalanche pre-consensus to enable instant transaction finality. Self-funded development model, the protocol allocates block rewards to mines 58%, a development funds 32%, and staking rewards 10% to ensure sustainable growth. eCash project institution rating is 4.1. eCash token total supply is around 20.02 trillion and circulating supply is also 20.02 trillion XEC token. XEC token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Binance, KuCoin, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 90% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.